The outlet in UK, this is what it looks like. It has three thick flat prong. So I have to have this adapter to go in there. And then I have to use the universal converter, the route connector to connect into it. This one's worked pretty well. And then just convert it to 110. So out up there is 220. We charge all the US device to 110. And out of this one, I got 4 outlet over here, and then also the regular plugs on the top 3. So yeah, if anybody wonder, get that and get this. You'll be fine. This is what they have in a hotel. Thank you for watching.